party, people in the place to be. What's going on? It's me. It's me. You've seen the title. You know what we're doing. We're unbagging some shit today. Yes, we are. Why? Because I was at home just like you, and I was shopping just like you online, and you know how the rest goes. Now, before we get to what's in this bag, and I can't feel the design. There's a design on it. So I'm not going to show myself. I'm going to show you. Before we get there, though, you need to go down in the description box. Go to patreon.com/surreal469. There's a link right there. Go there. Help keep the lights on at the party. Also like this. Also share this. Also subscribe if you aren't already. Why aren't you already? You know you should be. Why aren't you already? Go subscribe already. Go subscribe. You subscribed yet? Good. Now, we got a shirt right here. I think most of the design is on this side, actually. So I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to remember exactly what I bought myself. Okay, here we go. Can't see it. Can't see it. Not looking. I'm not looking. Oh! Yo! So, when I said that Trapzilla and I would look at these shirts designs in a previous video, when I said that we would look at these designs as they came through our email box because we're shirt nerds. And we would be like, did you get that one? No, I didn't get that one. I almost got that one, but I really wanted this one. Yeah, I got that one, but I didn't want this one. No, I couldn't afford that one. I think I'll get that one later. This is the one we both wanted. I think Trapzilla has bought this since we first saw it, I believe. Or maybe he didn't. I don't know if I've seen him in this. But we're about to see me in it. Hold on. So here's this shirt. I like the feel of the material itself. I like the placement of the actual iconography. But again, as I'm looking at it, and it may just be, we'll see. Yeah, I think that's just the design of it. I was going to say, again, there's an issue with it, but I think that's the design of it. Although there are extra lines again here on Spidey's face. Like the reflection here is really good. And over here looks like it's just the design. Gwen Stacy looks a little dotty. Looks a little dotty. Hold on. I'm gonna show you this one too. Alright, so again, as we're looking here at Spider-Man, and yeah, you can definitely see it there. There's the line right there, which looks like it's an issue with how it was printed. I don't know. I don't think that was how the original design was supposed to look. And then there's another one over here on this side here, as you can see right there, versus what the other ones look like. And then again, Gwen Stacy, you can particularly see it here in the pink of her hood. Kind of dotty. Yeah, there it is. It's kind of dotty. So I don't know, and you can see it through the rest of it too. Right here, it looks like that's kind of a design. That's kind of the way it was designed. I'm looking at it, and again, here, very good coloring, very good reflective coloring. This kind of looks like it's the design, especially up here near his forehead. I'm a little iffy on this one, dog. I'm looking at this. I'm a little iffy. As I'm taping this is now the second shirt that I'm not entirely sure about. I'm definitely going to go back and check the designs, check the original layout of the print and see if it's supposed to kind of look like this as a shirt. But I think there may have either been a printer issue or a slight printer issue or something. I'm not ecstatic about this, and I like RIPT, but I'm not ecstatic about what I'm seeing here and with the other shirt that I did before. So, I don't know. I don't know. This isn't the first time this has happened to me in getting online shirts. And again, when I did it last time, they just sent me basically the same shirt with the same defects, which kind of makes me think it was a layout issue, even though they said, "Oh no, you're right. We'll send you this other one, and there's something wrong with the printer. We'll send you this one." But it was the exact same thing. So I don't know if that's the exact same here with this. And I'll show you another look. Again, that white spot right there. It's different than like the layout of that, if that's how it's supposed to be with the reflection. I don't know if that's supposed to be a reflection or not. Right there in the middle of Spidey there, the dottiness of Gwen. I'm not sure. Before I make any judgments, before I go ahead and go through the rigmarole of sending it back or calling them and seeing what's up, I'm gonna check the layout again and see what that looks like. But right now I'm a little iffy. I was very excited about the other ones. Right now I'm a little iffy. So, we'll see what happens here, party people. This is starting to get a little intriguing. Okay, so I do have the actual picture of the design here, and the lines that I was talking about are fit into the design. The difference in what I bought and what I saw is really just the vividness of the colors. So Spidey is faded on the shirt, whereas all the red you have on him is quite bright on the design. This again goes back to what I was talking about when I said I'd received shirts from different companies before, and the design looked more faded much more faded than they did on the actual shirt. And then they sent me another one and it was exactly the same. This one, the coloring isn't as faded as it was on that particular shirt, but this seems to be an issue where you have shirts with vivid colors on them that are offered by some of these companies, but then the actual print or the actual shirt design, for whatever reason, can't quite deliver on the vividness, can't quite deliver on the color that you're buying, and it is making me contemplate what I'm going to do with this shirt. So anyway, back to the video. Do me a favor. Go to patreon.com/TheRealForces9. Help keep the lights on at the party. Tell me what you think down there in the comment section. What are your experiences like in terms of returning shirts, getting a shirt, and the design's a little different, ordering clothes online in general, and, maybe it comes back the way you want it, maybe it doesn't, maybe you get what you want, maybe you don't. Let me know. I've had relatively good experience. Most of my shirts that I have now, I've gotten from online. I've got a pair of shoes that I got from online that are amazing. I love them. So it kind of depends. It kind of varies, but it also may just kind of be hit or miss sometimes. This, I'm not sure if it's a hit. I'm not sure that it's a hit. I'm not saying it's a miss, but I'm not sure that it's a hit. So let me know what you think down there in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe. And as always, salud.